Once upon a time, there was a city that lived in eternal darkness. No sunlight, no stars, only endless night. The people had grown used to the dark. From childhood, they were told that light was only a myth, a bedtime story told by grandmothers to help children sleep. In that same city lived a little girl named Chandni. She was different from the others. While everyone else slept, she would climb to the rooftop and gaze at the sky. The faint glow of the moon filled her with dreams. Her heart believed that somewhere, somehow, light still existed. All it needed was someone brave enough to find it. One night, Chandni made a decision. She would search for the light. She packed a small bag, wrapped a scarf around her shoulders, and stepped into the darkness. Just then, a tiny firefly appeared beside her, glowing gently. His name was Noor. He could talk, and his soft light lit up her path. Together, they set off on a magical journey. Along the way, they discovered old books hidden beneath twisted trees. One book glowed and revealed a secret. Light was kept by a queen who lived in a cave beyond the distant mountains. She had once lit up the whole world, but people misused her light. So she hid herself away. Chandni and Noor crossed shadowy forests, silent rivers, and foggy hills. The road was difficult, filled with trials, but they never gave up. Finally, they reached the cave where the Queen of Light waited in silence. She sat surrounded by orbs of light, but her eyes held sorrow. When Chandni pleaded for the light to return, the queen shook her head. "People are not worthy of the light," she said. But Chandni spoke softly. "Light is not just brightness, it is hope. And as long as we have hope, darkness cannot win." For a moment, the queen looked into Chandni's eyes and saw a light that was pure, warm, and real. A light strong enough to awaken the world. Her heart melted. She raised her hands and light flowed out like waves across the sky. The city began to glow, slowly at first, then brighter and brighter. People stepped outside in awe. For the first time, their faces shone with wonder and joy. Chandni, the little girl, became the light of hope. Her name echoed in every home. As long as there is light in one heart, the people said, darkness can never win. From that day on, every night before sleeping, people would light a small lamp in Chandni's name. Because the story wasn't just a tale. It was light itself. The kind of story you want to watch again and again. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, The Family Vault, and also press the bell icon. Please like and share as well.